Meaning of fictionalize.
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 Fictionalize. Fictionalize means to adapt or transform a real-life event, person, or situation into a fictionalized version for artistic purposes. This involves taking elements from reality and embellishing them with fictional details to create a new story. The result is a work of fiction that may still retain some elements of truth but is primarily designed to entertain or convey a particular message. Fictionalization is a common technique used in literature, film, and television to explore complex themes and issues in a more engaging way.